It's been a couple of hours, now I'm into the second coat. Look at that, bloody gorgeous. Oh yeah, always when you're doing the second coat it just flows. Same as when you're painting, you know, when you've done your first coat it just flows. I still want to put a bit of slope on that. I'll do that tomorrow. I wish I could keep my radio going. Oh. Singing away. It's beautiful. You know, doing your work. Nice music's playing. Nice. I'm just standing on a towel. I don't want to scuff up. Like my waterproof is pretty green, you know. It's pretty fresh, so you just got to be a little bit careful. And not scuff your feet too much when you're doing your second coat. Oh, that sounds like the rubbish man, the rubbish truck. Look at that, bloody beautiful. Good whack of waterproof. It's good stuff, this. Excellent. Oh, what's that band? It was Macho Man. Village People, that's it. Excellent. That's who I was listening to when I had to turn it off. Yeah, the Village People. They were all right in their time. There's a bloody lot worse out there as far as bands. All depends what you like listening to. That's all there is to it, people. When it's done properly, it lasts forever. Well, lasts a bloody long time anyway. This is Chriso. Push the subscribe button. Bash the thumbs up button. We'll see you next. What I'm going to be doing in the morning is laying the floor. I'll show you exactly what my set out is. It's going to be such a cool set out. But tomorrow I'll be laying the floor and then into the walls the next day. See you soon. Whoa!